Introducing the Silverroot matte white carving porcelain tile. With its impressive size, neutral coloring and intricate carving glaze that result in a truly unique textured surface. The carving glaze technique involves the application of a liquid coating to the matte porcelain tile surface. The tile is then fired in a kiln to harden the glaze, ensuring a durable and long-lasting finish. The result is a raised and textured effect that adds both depth and visual interest to the tile's appearance. Thanks to its generosity and size, Silverroot allows for a range of seamless and visually captivating installation options, be it a striking feature wall, a stunning backsplash, or a large floor area. Pair it with metallics, wood and leather, ceramics, rugs and other furnishings and finishes to create a refined and serene canvas that slots beautifully into open-plan living. Bring Silverroot into your home today and experience how the captivating effect of carving glaze combines with the durability and practicality of matte porcelain for a truly superior end result. Shop the Silverroot matte white carving porcelain tile or its gloss finish counterpart online or in-store at Italtile.